There we go. Oh, I'm on the bleeding Wi-Fi now. Thank you. Get yourself on the right channel. Alright. What are we doing? What are we doing? We're doing C, of course. Did I even update the information? Sorry. Which requires deft hand typing. Hi. I think we got some stuff to... Oh. Some stuff to do here. Got my... What's... Can you hear that? What's in there? What's... Accelerometer, maybe? That's not normal. That's not right. Ooh. Welcome back to the C++ stream. Sorry it's so late. It's like 5 p.m. I woke up at 2 p.m. Can you believe that? Arithmetic operators on iterators. This is something that we were struggling with last time, is it not? Get out of here, vector. Okay. For auto it and vint.begin, it does not equal vint.end plus plus it. If it does not equal vint.begin, star it equals star it minus 1 star 2. Yeah, vectors are stupid and iterators are stupid. Poopy iterators. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this code works perfectly. Quote unquote perfectly. Quote unquote works. So let's just have a cheeky peek and a rundown, because this made me angry last time, and it's making me angry that it's making me angry last time again. So we need to look. Okay, so what's this? Vect int vint 10 1 instant b equals 0 for auto unv vint cout v endl. Oh yeah, that was just we don't need this. I don't know what I was doing with that. I think I had freaked out at that point, and I was just using that to check, wasn't I? Will you stop? There's a terminator right there. Just use it. Let's just get rid of that for the moment. Vector int vint 10 1. So we're initializing a vector full of ints that's 10, and we're setting all of those ints to the number 1. Yeah, for auto it in equals vint dot begin. So we're setting the iterator to the first int. It doesn't not equal vint.end, which is the one after the end. So when it equals that one, it stops looping. Plus plus it. So we're gonna increment the iterator, obviously. if it does not equal vint.begin, star it equals star it minus 1 times 2. This is the point at which I think it would be great that C++ used the dot operator instead of the star operator for multiplication. It will be known that the dot operator is introduced at the end of A-level maths as the quote-unquote correct multiplication symbol. Because by that point you're using X as algebra. Blah, blah, blah. Never even comes up because most algebra doesn't have a multiplication symbol in it because everything's algebra. It just sticks to itself. You just put things in brackets. Anyway. So this star dereferences this, right? There's got to be a better way to write that. That's horrible. There's a nice comment. This is horrible. Please find a better way to write this. So what we're doing is, if it does not equal 1, which is vint.begin. So if it's not the first one, the first one's going to be 1. Then we are going to set the value at that position to the value of the last position times by 2, or the position before it. So this is it, this is this, and we're doing it minus 1, and then we're getting the value by dereferencing that, and then we're timesing it by 2. And it looks like a massive clusterfuck because this is a vector dereference from an iterator. This is a multiplier. It's the same logo. It's the same symbol. Anyway, and then we've got a little printy boy. For auto it equals vint.begin, it is not equal to vint.end, plus plus it, see out the value of it, end. There you go. In fact, you know what? Let's do this. What do you mean no? What do you mean no? What do you mean no? So what? That's obviously not going to work. That's obviously not going to work. That's obviously going to give us some stupid stuff. It gives us the memory address. Are they all in the same memory address? Yeah, I wanted the value of the iterator. I didn't want the fucking memory address, you drongo. So an iterator is a single object that does not move, but it does change. But it's not an int. It could just be an int. This is the C showing through in me now. It could just be a fucking int, but it's not. It's an iterator. And because it's an iterator, I don't know. This makes everything a little bit more complicated, doesn't it? Now we've got arithmetic operators on iterators, which we've already partially covered here for some strange reason. We can have a subtract an integral value to and an iterator doing so returns an iterator, blah blah blah, done that. Compute an iterator to the element closest to the midpoint of vi.begin plus vi.size divided by 2. Good. Vi has 20 elements and vi size 2 is 10. In this case, we set mid equal to vi.begin plus 10. Remembering that subscripts start at 0, this element is the same as vi10. Yeah. The element 10 past the first. Yeah. It's not though, is it? Midpoint in an even numbered system is going to be between two numbers. But yeah. Really, in that case, I think it should return both values, the bottom and the top. We can also subtract two iterators as long as they refer to elements in or one of the end of by the same vector or string. Yeah, good. The result is the distance between the iterators. By distance, we mean the amount by which we'd have to change one iterator to get the other. What? The output is signed. Oh, before I go any further, big shout out to Smorgborglur. Thanks for the follow, dude. Do appreciate it. Sorry you're getting a shout in one of the boring sections, but it's how it be sometimes. Yeah. Using iterator arithmetic. Classic algorithm uses iterator arithmetic as binary search. Binary search looks for a particular value in a sorted sequence, operates by looking at the element closest in the middle of that sequence. If the element is the one that we want, we're done. Otherwise, if the element is smaller than the one we want, we continue our search by looking at only elements after the rejected one. Okay, this is pretty cool. So they're so it's a binary search, and it does binary search, and it's great. It's missing some stuff, but okay. Redo the last exercise from 333 using iterators. Rewrite the grade clustering system from 333 using iterators. In the binary search program on page 112, why did we write mid equals big and end minus big divided by 2 instead of mid equals big plus end minus 2? The binary search, the reason we write mid equals beg plus end minus beg divided by 2 instead of mid equals beg plus end divided by 2 is because the start point, the new start point for the range that we're searching at, is assigned to beg, and so you need to calculate the midpoint of the range that you're working with if you just used beg and end. Wait, what? Wait, hang on a second. No, hang on. Wait, what? Wait. So, My brain is melting. My brain is melting. Like I know the reason, but I can't explain it fully. So minusing when we hey dude, what's up? I'm doing the boring stuff today. Hey. So when you do a vector, when you do whoa! What do you mean I'm dropping packets? What do you mean I dropped 600 frames? Whoa! Must be the fire outside. I don't know, just saying hi. Okay. Hi. Well, it's fine if the stream tanks a couple of frames. It's not tanking that bad. I've got the big red. I got the big red on the button here. Why are you doing this to me, man? Why are you doing this to me? Did that fix it? Oh, I can fix that. Your Xbox got background downloads on? It's messing me up, dog. So when you minus an iterator from another iterator, you get the distance between the iterators. And beg is initialized. It does. Yeah. Messing me up, dog. I just unplugged the Ethernet. I hope it doesn't mind. I mean, obviously it's going to mind, but beg is initialized to the new iterator of the midpoint. So we're going to get the new middle point of the iterator, and then we're going to get the distance between the end and the new middle point, which is the range, and then you're going to divide it by 2. What you don't, I don't know what I'm downloading. The Xbox is off, quote unquote off, but it doesn't have a power switch, so it's not off. It's standby. I don't know. I don't do Xbox. You know this. I do the PC. When I turn the PC off, it's not downloading things. I'm guessing there's an update for Destiny, or another one of the games that's installed. Who knows? Maybe it was uploading. Maybe someone else was downloading and I just thought it was the Xbox, and coincidentally unplugging the Ethernet has fixed it. By coincidence. Who knows? Like, I honestly couldn't tell you what the problem was. But yeah, mid equals beg plus end is gonna give you a range that's too big, because end is the value of the final. Sure, it does. Just hold power button for a few seconds and it'll shut off fully. Well, how do I know that it's shut off fully? Because there's no light on the front. And like if I hold the power button, if I hold the guide button and then turn off console, it just looks like it's off. Like it wasn't flashing any lights. So that's why I'm not sure that it was actually downloading something. But I stopped losing packets when it was unplugged, so I was kind of assuming it was doing an upload thing. Because I remember it did the same thing when I was playing Destiny the other day, and I was watching someone stream, and then the stream quality just went. I'm guessing it was downloading a cheeky update, which is fine, but all right now. I have no QoS configured on the router that I'm using. I probably should. I should probably just configure some QoS. Be easier. I mean, I wouldn't have to like unplug stuff. Just say like, you know, the PC gets priority upstream. I don't know why a download would affect the upstream, but it does somehow. Makes everything a bit chunky. Rewrite the grade clustering systems program from 333. I don't really want to scroll all the way back up to there, but I know it'd be useful to do. Where is 333? It's really good that they have digital release for this book. Oh, it's 341 using iterators. Okay, we're getting there. Oh, what's that? 333 other vector operations. Here we go. Here we go. Clustering the grades this way. If our output is 45, 65, 95, 100, 39, 67, okay, the output will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1. Okay, here we go. Wait, yeah, okay. Vector int 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for auto and v I star equals I for auto I v c out end all. What? Is there a what the fuck? They power off the console next time. Hold the Xbox symbol on the console till you hear it shut off. Trust me, you'll hear it. The fans will stop. Oh, the Xbox logo is the power the power button. Now you're gonna be telling me that that little white nubbin is an eject button. God, God damn it. You guessed it. Good job. There was no disc inside. Okay, that's 3332. Okay, I don't get what you're doing here. Why are you squaring stuff? Why? What are you doing? There's no code. There's no code for it. Oh no, here we go. Here's the code. In black button under the Xbox button is a scan of a controller button. Yeah, I got that one. It's got the infrared button on it. And you got an infrared window as well, so you don't need like a plug-in to one of the controller ports. Not that it has controller ports. Oh, I'm not sure, because the dock is plugged into the USB port on the back, and it's not lit up, so I'm only assuming that I've either broken your dock. I've broken your dock. It's lit up now. It wasn't on properly. Oh god. Okay, here we go. Vector unsigned scores 11, 0, 11 brackets, all initially 0, unsigned grade, while C in grade. Unsigned grade, while C in grade, if grade is less than or equal to 100, plus scores grade divided by 10. Okay, so it's exactly the same, but instead of a while loop, you use a for. I do it all the time, don't worry about it. Maybe download CTR. Maybe I will. Is it not already just on the console? Maybe I will download CTR. CTR is a fun game. CTR is a fun, straighting game. So you just use a for loop. Don't know. Did I leave it on? I don't know if you left it on. I didn't look. There were, I think there was 20 apps in games or something like that. I'll have a peekaroonie. There's plenty of space to download stuff to anyway. It's like what? This space. I deleted those two. I was trying to get it to stream the Xbox console to my PC desktop, so I didn't have to do it, so I could stream from the PC and have like a hard copy locally. But like I followed all the steps on the internet and none of them worked. Microsoft software is absolutely garbage. It wasn't detecting the Xbox on the application that it's meant to stream the window to, and it was detecting the Xbox on the glass panel, whatever it was called. So I thought, oh, maybe I'll use this, and I pressed like the screen button. And the screen button just captures. So I took 2 captures of Destiny, and I've deleted them. But it might have been trying to upload those to like someone's Twitter feed. I don't know. Might be yours. Might be mine. Yeah, I wiped shared loads. Yeah, use my library in Game Pass or in lockdown. Oh right. Oh right. Okay. Oh thanks. I guess that explained why there was so much space. I'll have a look tonight maybe. That's some stuff. Although funny story. Trying to break from the C++ a second to get a funny story in. I wanted to download the video from Twitch of our raid, our 3rd video, and yeah, unsigned idiot. Nope, they're regular brackets. And Twitch was just like it was not responsive. It was like, no, mate, no, I'm not gonna get that for you. And demo some future PC purchases or something. Oh, do you have the Spyro? Do you have the Spyro games? I can't demo anything that's like a long thing, but God damn it. God. Because if I play it, I won't play it again. You know me. That's me. If I've done it, I've done it. That's not me. I've done a whole bunch of games a whole bunch of times. We don't need unsigned grade. We do need unsigned grade. Sarah has my Spyro disc. Ah, it's a disc game. Ah, no worries. Oh no. I was gonna say something. Funny story. Yes. And I was trying to download the Twitch highlight, and Twitch is usually it brings up a thing saying fetching download, preparing download. And I was waiting for it to do that, and it wasn't bringing it up. It was just deselecting my Firefox window for some strange reason. I was like, oh, that's fucking weird. Well, Twitch, guess you're not going to work. I'll just mash the button. Mashed the button a whole bunch of times, didn't work. Left it, closed out everything, moved on. And I go to try again when I go to bed. I boot it up on my remote desktop, and there are, kid you not, 27 prepare to download file windows on my 3rd monitor, which was off. absolute professional style. Welcome to the Math Noise stream. Or yeah, 4. Yeah. Well, I don't keep it on because it's a CRT. It's a massive pain to have on. I'm sure it takes up like as much power as the PC, the Xbox, and both other monitors put together. And it's small, and the pixel density isn't good. It's hard to look at. I mean, it's not hard to look at, but it's hard to read small text on. And it's just a massive pain, really. I mean, it's helpful to have a 3rd monitor, but it's a massive pain that my 3rd monitor is like from the 90s. No joke. Okay, it's from the 2000s, but only just. So unsigned grade. Oh, 4. I like this. Grades are what we're putting in. Oh, so you'll do begin, but you won't add for me the parentheses automatically. That's rude. For auto get equals scores dot begin. Get does not equal scores Oh hey, DMCV is on Game Pass. I own DMCV already on Steam. Um, touche, yeah, touche. It was like a fiver on Humble Bundle one day. In fact, all of the Capcom games except for Monster Hunter Iceborne were reduced like 70%. Sometime mid last month. So I bought everything except for the Devil May Cry HD collection, which was like nearly full price anyway. Forza Horizon UK. Ooh, that's a big tempt. That's like, ooh yeah, I'll play Forza Horizon UK. Hell yeah. Is that the arcade drifty rally style Forza game? Guess that kind of works in UK. I was kind of disappointed in the Crew 2 because like they're all like, oh, we've got like all of America, and it's really good, and I'm fine. Yeah, open world one, yeah, and I'm fine with them having like bold claims about mapping all of America and being able to drive coast to coast, yada yada, blah blah blah, and it's boring as shit because all the roads in America are pretty straight and pretty unwinding, and they filled in a couple of gaps and they kind of fudged a couple of areas, and I don't mind them having like shorter connections between interesting cities to drive around, but like at least put more roads in the cities that you are actually driving around. Like New York, there's like 3 blocks. It's ridiculous. Like, what am I gonna do with 3 blocks in New York? Like, there's not even Main Street. There's not even First. It's just 6 lanes of traffic, and it's ridiculous. It's just grinds my gears. Okay, there's more than 3 blocks, but like, you only get the feeling a little bit, and I wish you got the feeling a bit more. And you know, realistically, I think they could have put more in. What am I doing? Oh yeah, I'm doing code. I'm doing the codey things. It does not equal scores.end. I guess it's just plus get. And then inside that we have no. I mean, I played a bit. It's kind of Edinburgh and surrounding areas. See, we're close to Edinburgh, right? Is there a track make? There's not going to be a track maker. It's open world. God damn it. See, this is a way that you could absolutely leverage like social programming. Have a few hours drive. A few hours actual drive in Forza. I can imagine. Just on the M1. No. But like you could do that. Have a racing game and have like, oh yeah, it's this. 2 things. You could steal all Google Maps information, or you could have like one major town, and then you could have like, oh yeah, make your track, make your local area track as a track. Then you don't have to pay a whole bunch of really talented programmers, developers, and map designers to do the mundane task of copying out the AA roadmaps. You just get people to do that, and it'll be slightly wrong, so no one can claim copyright because everyone else is kind of join it together, and then you can have like, you know, a small admin team to just join all the areas together quietly on the back end. Maybe fudge a couple of bends which are impossible because of coding, because you'll have like a track which ends somewhere and a track that slightly overlaps it, and they're meant to go into each other. But you know, the game will be like, no, there's a hill. There's like an inverse, non-Euclidean geometric shape blocking you from these 2 areas. It's exactly what would happen, and it can't happen. So you need some human input on that side. But I think it's feasible. I think it's easy, not easy, but feasible. Go back one step. So I've messed up here already. I was on autopilot, setting up a nice vector iteration, but that is not how we are. That's not what we're doing. It's like it wants us to use an iterator. Oh, oh no. I wanted to press that one. Yeah. Whoops. Yeah, there we go. For auto get equals grade begin get. Oh! I heard it. It's definitely still on. I'm watching you, buddy. Auto get equals grade dot begin get does not equal grade dot end plus plus get. And what we're gonna do is if star get is greater than or equal no less than or equal to 100. Probably Overwatch. Oh, you left Overwatch installed? Yeah, of course. There's like an update every fucking 4 minutes for that game. Hang on, there's an update for Overwatch. I closed Blizzard. So while seeing grade for auto get grade dot begin get doesn't equal grade dot end plus plus get if star get is less than or equal to 100 plus plus scores maybe a console hotfix, maybe a global hotfix. That game broken. I'm just kidding. I mean, I'm just kidding. The only thing broken in that game is pretty much the user base. Yo, if you're watching this stream, you play Overwatch, just like two things, like be nice to everyone else in the game and also learn how to play. I mean, what? I'm sorry. I can't help myself. You can't uninstall cancer. That is correct. What am I doing here? While seeing grade, auto get grade plus plus scores, star get divided by 10. Yeah, that should be fine. So yeah, that should be fine. I don't know why you have to complicate it that far, but Like, the code that they've got here is real nice. Real nice and simple. I don't think it needs the complication of an iterator. Or I've got the wrong end of the stick and I'm using them wrong. I think it's that way. I think I'm just going crazy and like then we just and then if we're lucky, this is going to print out some stuff that we did before, and then it's going to ask us for some input. We're going to go some input between 0 and 100. Should actually put a low bound catch on that, but that should be fine, right? If 0 is less than or equal to *get and *get is less than or equal to 100. Does it do that? Is that okay? I know there's no one who does C++ here right now, but like in future, send me a message. Is that okay? I don't think that's okay. But it didn't throw up an error, so there were build errors. No. What do you mean? Expected you did. Build errors in the wrong place. The build errors. What do you mean? What do you mean? Okay. No. Wait. But like is that okay? That should be okay. While seeing grade.pushback. Maybe. No, it wasn't okay. What now? What now? Go away! Error list. No matter am I using pushback wrong? Vector. Ah, yeah. What? String word while seeing word. What? Vector string uppercase. Uppercase dot pushback word. While seeing word uppercase dot pushback word. Can I just leave it as empty parentheses? Is that not legal? Where am I? Uh-oh. No instance of overloaded function. Whoa. See, that's fine. Where? 125. I like how it doesn't show that error. Oh, my Doom Eternal limited edition code did add Doom 64 remastered to my library. Thanks for actually telling me about that. Hey, I did. Yeah, it did. I saw that on the Steam as well. It's nice how they put Doom 64. So I can actually play it without finding like a cartridge. Even if that cartridge came from some unscrupulous source online. Which of course is something we don't do. What? Console in. You're gonna complain now. No operator matching these operands. So you can't use a pushback. Just throw that in there. Enter. So actually, that needs to be there, and then Blau. Valoo. Okay. Well, looks like you might have my Xbox for the bad better part of 2 months. Put some time in. Halo Reach Remastered. Speaking of which, right, okay, got the Master Chief Collection full Halo run through to Nick. Oh, maybe. I got the Master Chief Collection on Steam. And the cooperative multiplayer matchmaking service is so bad. It's so bad. There were errors. I hate you. Where? Error. Stand unsigned in, unsigned in, non-stand using and create a pointer to a member. Create a pointer to a member. What the fuck are you talking about? Stand sit cannot be used before it is initialized. It's initialized here. Forza sit equals score. The fuck are you talking about? 137. Oh, right, okay. It's out of scope. What was it even doing? It's output. It's fine. CTR has an Easter Grand Prix. It looks like I'm going into another set of skins. Yes, yes, you are. What do you mean? No. Error list. Standard vector, unsigned, int, and allocator. Non-standard syntax, use and create a pointer to a member. I'm not doing a pointer to a member. The fuck is wrong with you? Let's just illegal for class. What? Oh, I'm missing some bracky boys. That's what's going on. Wish it could have just been like you missing bracky boys. 1, 3, 4, 23, 34, 45, 56, 67, 78, 89, 90, minus 3,000 and 9,001, of course. Vector subscript out of range. Oh, we had this yesterday. It's great. I'm using the vector wrong. So this is the only place that we're doing vector ranging. Let's try without stupid input. So that works fine. So if we do that works fine. So if we do oh, okay, that doesn't work. Maybe this syntax is confusing. Less than or equal to 100. Greater than or equal to 0. So if I type in 101, we shouldn't get, it should be 0. Yeah. Okay. I didn't think you could do that. -1. Yeah. And it doesn't crash. Look at that. It doesn't crash when we do that. I'm kidding. I'm on Overwatch. I want the pain. Ah, you do want the pain. Okay. How long have I been streaming? 55 minutes to do one set of exercises I probably should have done last time I was doing this. Jesus Christ. I can scroll back down to where I was now, which is generic programming. Nope. Oh, no, that's too far. Yeah, okay, we're done. This is the end of the stream. I can go have some fun now. Quote unquote fun. So I don't think this is particularly elegant. I'm gonna maybe ask some very helpful computer specialist people about this. Spawn in to see a defeat screen. Awesome start. He's playing quick play. That's where it's at. I'm gonna wrap this up now. Save this and wrap it up. I don't think this is entirely necessary. But anyway, yeah. We did this. We did some vector arithmetic. Apparently, this doesn't seem like vector arithmetic to me, but iterator arithmetic. Sorry, like I said, brain leaking out the ears. But we solved it. It works. It's robust, and I think it could be smaller. But it is what it is. It's how it do. We had a small hiccup with the streaming. Thank you, Xbox. But the upload to YouTube will be unmarred as it is recorded local. You can thank your helpful guys at the OBS forums for recommending that to literally everybody on the planet. It's a good option and it doesn't take that much CPU, even in games like Destiny. So yeah, thanks for joining the live video if you came to watch the live video. Thanks for watching the video on demand if you came to watch the video on demand. And as always, I will see you in the next episode.